Question number 8 of exercise 1.3. The question says a cement company earns a profit of rupees 8 per bag of white cement and sold, and a loss of rupees 5 per bag of grey cement sold. A part, the company sells rupees 3000 bags of white cement and 5000 bags of grey cement in a month. What is its profit or loss? The same question, what is the number of white cement bags if it must sell to have neither profit nor loss if the number of grey bags sold is 6400 bags? Here the same concept as of previous questions. Profit earned while selling one bag of white cement is 8 and the company sold 3000 bags of white cement. That means total profit earned by this company by selling 3000 bags would be 8 into 3000. Simplifying 8 with 3 gives you 24 and attaching 3 zeros to it, which gives 24,000 profit. But there is also a loss while selling one bag of grey cement, that is of 5 rupees loss. Therefore we write it as negative and 5000 bags were sold. Therefore minus 5 into 5000, again 5 into 5 is 25, adding 3 zeros to it, and minus into plus is minus, therefore minus 25,000 loss. Therefore overall profit or loss would be when you subtract loss from profit, that is profit plus loss. So it is 24,000 plus minus 25,000 loss. That when solved it comes out to be minus 1000. Minus sign shows us that it is coming to B part. So here we are given the condition that the company had neither profit nor loss. It means profit earned plus profit incurred would be 0. So loss incurred while 6400 bags, when you multiply it with minus 5 gives minus 32,000. So the company had the loss of rupees 32,000. Now we will take the number of bags of white cement to be sold as X, as we don't know, but we know that profit earned while selling per bag of white cement is 8. Now we will multiply it to get the cost, that is 8 into X. It will give you profit earned by selling X bags of white cement. Now we will fix it to our condition, and condition of no profit no loss, which means the sum will be 0. So again it becomes a case of LHS and RHS. So we take the same, first we take the profit, that is 8x, which we have calculated. We have to find the value of X. Now we add loss to it, so minus 32,000. Here is a rule, when things change side, that it moves to right hand side, plus sign becomes negative and negative sign becomes plus. Here negative becomes positive and it is 8x is equal to 32,000. Again here it is a getting multiplied. When it goes towards RHS, it is a division, so 32,000 over 8, you can divide it. 4 8s are 32, therefore so answer is 4 and attaching 3 zeros to it, so X value is 4000. So therefore 4000 bags of white cement must be sold to have no profit and no loss. This makes your question number 8.